Hello guys, welcome back to this update. So right here guys, I want to share this free USDT any platform where you can earn some free USDT every single day directly to your wallet. So this is a platform which is currently launched and is currently paying to their members. And right here, I just want you to take a look into the platform and see how the platform is. So right here, this platform has been online for 46 days and they are currently active, and that's amazing. So I've said to share this update with you guys so you can go and check it out. So here you can see the interface of the platform, and right here you can see more information you need to know about the platform. So right now you can see my dashboard, and here all you need to do here is to come over right on the platform, and you're gonna need to tap on the 1 to 5 button. So this is how to use the platform. If you tap on the 1 to 5 button, here you're gonna need to tap on the quantify button right here. Okay, so if you tap on the start quantification, just allow it for some seconds. Okay, and right here we have quantified for today. So after you claim your free USDT, just come over right here and tap on the withdraw button, and if you tap on that, you're gonna need to set up your password for your withdrawal. Okay, so now you have set your withdrawal password and security password. So now you're gonna need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. So right, you're gonna need to fill out the information for your withdrawal. So here we are going to withdraw this amount on the account. Then you're gonna need to enter your withdrawal address over here, which is your BNB wallet address. Okay, then after that, enter your security password. So mind you that this video is for educational purpose only and not a financial advice. We don't promote or endorse any platform. All we do here is to educate you on how platform works so you can start claiming free crypto for yourself every single day. And you're gonna tap on confirm button, and once you tap on that, right here successfully the withdrawal has been placed. So if you go to your wallet right now, you're going to see you have received your free USDT sent to your wallet. Okay, so this is how the website works, and that's so amazing. So you can jump into the platform, and here you can also earn more if you can partake on the tax on the platform. Okay, so they have a lot of earning patterns. Right here, if you have any problem, you can contact the support. They're always active 24/7 to help you out. Okay, so this is how the platform works. It's very easy to use. I hope you find the video helpful. If you do, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, right here you can check out the plans on the platform and choose any of your choice. Okay, right here if you want to join any of them, just tap on the plan, and then you're gonna tap on confirm, and then you can follow up the instructions on the screen and you are good to go. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. I hope you find the video helpful. See you on the next video. Still a bit of goodbye for now.